Good morning, friends. It's Charlene. How are you on this Sunday morning? I'm feeling good. I woke up late, so I'm behind schedule. I woke up at 10:30 and I'm supposed to be at church at 11, so needless to say, I'll be staying home. And I decided to upload this video. What made me so tired that I couldn't wake up on time is that I painted my ceiling and my TV wall, and I didn't have that long attachment. It broke. So I had to go up and down the ladder to paint the ceiling, and I'm tired. And I guess my body was just like, no, you're not moving this morning. Anyway, I accomplished my goal to do the third living room wall and the ceiling. The ceiling's getting a treatment. So I only painted enough to make it uniform and cover up the spot from where the bathroom leaked down. It wasn't a serious leak, thankfully, but I needed to do a small patch and paint job. And, it's not the best, but it's fine for now. And then I painted my TV wall and just fixed up the wall like I liked it and fixed up the console table. I got that console table at the thrift store a few years ago for like $25, and I love it. And I will not paint it. My daughter swears I paint everything, but I don't. So I simply took some metal work that I had, did a light whitewash of those to make them uniform, did a small basket of flowers, and I have my jugs on either side. There's a name for those jugs. It's escaping me right now, but there is a name for them. And then because the baby plays in here, we have his toy baskets underneath, which I'm not going to show today because it looks crazy. But we'll buy some updated baskets, and I'll show it eventually when I find them. I'll probably find them at Ross, I'm sure, because they always have good deals. Anyway, besides that, I did go to Dollar Tree, Michael's, Ross, and found some amazing things. Well, I don't know if it's amazing, but I found some cute things. Let me show you. These next few items are from Dollar Tree, and I'm sure you will see them in upcoming DIYs. Updating my house. I am adding in lots of white like I shared before. So I picked up this shower curtain and bath mat so I can have 3 sets of white for the bathroom. It's spearmint, rosemary, and lavender from Annie'sHeirloomSeeds.com. So I'm hoping to have success. Lavender for sure is tricky, so we'll see how that goes. And here's a warning. Do not shop while you're sleepy. I picked up what I thought was angel wings. I ordered them online on Amazon, and I thought I was getting some like little paper mache angel wings. I don't know what I was thinking. And I'm like, oh, these would be so cute. I'll just hang them on my mirror. And apparently it's a die cutty thing that you use with a machine called Sizzix. I had to look it up because I was so clueless, y'all. Anyway, if anyone has this machine and you want this, I will be happy to send it to you because I'm not buying a machine. I don't even know what to do with this thing. But lesson learned, lesson learned. I also updated my window above the kitchen sink, and I added these waterfall balance to it. It's so pretty. It's so light and summery. And here my birds and plants are sitting on the windowsill chilling. Friend surprised me with all of these wonderful plants and seeds. I'm going to completely revamp the front yard, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'm showing you the next wall or if I'm going to show you some crafts that I did in the home or if I'm going to show you what I did outside. But I'll be back, y'all. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you.